Biggest Black Friday kitchen deals of the year? This is it. The prices today are honestly wild. Before we jump in, remember, for verified live offers updated throughout the day, check thedetailedguide.com. And every deal mentioned in this video is linked for you right below in the description. Today we're breaking down the best Black Friday kitchen deals you can grab right now, with huge savings on coffee makers, cookware, air fryers, and more. Let's get straight into the list. Number 1. Nespresso Vertuo Pop by DeLonghi Coffee and Espresso Maker. Now $89, down from $119, saving you $30. If you want cafe-level espresso at home without the complicated setup, this compact Vertuo Pop is a killer deal. You get the smooth espresso, the crema, and the consistency Nespresso is famous for. It comes with a tasting set too, so you can explore different pods right out of the box. The link is in the description. Number 2. The Aiden Grinder Kit, now $497, down from $599.90, saving you $102. If you love fresh beans, this duo gives you a premium quality grinder and a sleek coffee maker that makes your morning ritual smoother. Perfect for anyone who wants barista-level control without the huge learning curve. Check the link below for this deal. Number 3. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt head stand mixer, now $339.99, previously $499.99, saving you $160. This is the classic mixer every home cook wants on their counter. Whether you bake bread, whip cream, or knead dough, this mixer handles it all. With this discount, it's one of the best kitchen appliance deals this season. Number 4. Ninja CREAMi 7-in-1 Ice Cream Maker, now $199.99, down from $239.98. If you've ever wanted to make your own ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or milkshakes exactly the way you like them, this machine is a powerhouse. The bundle includes 5 pints and gives you restaurant-quality texture right from home. The link is in the description. Number 5. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer and Rotisserie, now $89.99, down from $139.99, saving you 36%. This is a 10-liter family-size machine that does everything: air fry, dehydrate, roast, and rotisserie. The presets make it easy, and the viewing window lets you see your food crisp up without opening the door. Number 6. Chefman Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo 15-quart, now $89.97, previously $179.99, saving you 50%. Half off for a 4-slice toaster oven that also broils, bakes, air fries, and toasts. If your kitchen is short on space, this single appliance replaces several others. Number 7. Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven, now $229.93, down from $499.99, saving you 54%. This pizza oven hits 800 degrees F and comes with presets, a pizza stone, and a peel. You can make crispy restaurant-style pizzas at home in minutes. Massive savings and perfect for weekend gatherings. Number 8. Ninja Crispi 3-in-1 Portable Glass Air Fryer, now $134, previously $149, saving you $15. This system includes 4-quart and 5-cup Tupperware glass containers. It's microwave safe, freezer safe, dishwasher safe, and the portability is a big plus. Number 9. Astercook 19-piece knife set with built-in sharpener, now $39.99, previously $199.99, saving you $160. A full stainless steel knife block with a built-in sharpener for under $30? That's one of the best value deals in the entire list. The anti-rust coating also makes maintenance easier. Number 10. Carote 21-piece pots and pans set, now $139.99, down from $239.98, saving you $99.99. This beige nonstick set is stylish, durable, and induction ready. Carote's coating is known for easy cleanup and long-lasting performance. Before we continue, if you're just tuning in, this is our full roundup of the top Black Friday kitchen deals available right now. Every deal mentioned is linked for you below in the description, and these prices can change quickly. Now, let's keep going. Number 11. Bluebow 6-quart Air Fryer, now $52.99, previously $119.99, saving you $67. A solid 1500-watt air fryer with a window, touchscreen controls, and 8 cooking presets. If you're on a tight budget, this is a fantastic pick. Number 12. Kikcoin 19-piece non-stick pots and pan set. Now $59.94, down from $159.99, saving you $100.05. The removable handles make this set perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or anyone who wants stackable cookware without sacrificing quality. Number 13. Bluebow 12-quart air fryer convection oven. Now $72.99, down from $138.99, saving you $66. This large capacity convection oven has 10 built-in functions, a clear viewing window, and simple touchscreen operation, ideal for families. Number 14. VAVSEA Burr coffee grinder, now $46.99, down from $99.99, saving you $53. With 18 grind settings and a 3 to 18 cup capacity, this grinder gives you precise control whether you're making espresso, drip coffee, or cold brew. Number 15. Costway electric teppanyaki grill, now $79.99, previously $149, saving you $79.01. Great for indoor grilling, group cooking, and even camping. The surface heats evenly and has plenty of space for meats, veggies, and breakfast foods. Number 16. CUSIMAX Smokeless Indoor Grill and Griddle, now $124.99, down from $248.99, saving you $124. This smokeless system is perfect for apartment use and includes both a grill plate and a griddle plate. The smoke extraction system keeps odors low. Number 17. CUSIMAX 1800-watt portable double burner hot plate, now $73.99, previously $142.99, saving you $69. A strong countertop cooktop with dual cast iron plates, great for dorms, RVs, small kitchens, or as a backup cooking surface. Number 18. SENSARTE 18-piece non-stick pots and pan set, now $85.99, down from $189.99, saving you $105. This green cookware set is induction-ready, easy to clean, and designed with lightweight materials that make daily cooking more comfortable. Number 19. SENSARTE ceramic non-stick pots and pans with detachable handle, now $74.99, previously $199.99, saving you $125. A navy blue ceramic set that stacks neatly, handles the oven, dishwasher, and induction cooking, and won't scratch easily. A huge discount for a full 18-piece set. Number 20. Wirrytor Arched Kitchen Storage Cabinet, now $131.99, down from $249, saving you $117.01. A stylish storage cabinet with 2 tiers and double doors, great for organizing cookware, appliances, or pantry items while upgrading your kitchen aesthetic. And that wraps up our full list of the top Black Friday kitchen deals available right now. These prices move fast, so if you see something you like, check the link in the description while the offer is still live. Happy shopping and enjoy upgrading your kitchen without paying full price.